Right, wag vir die groen lig. Daar is hy.
Oh no!
Evert Alberts, wat pragtig wegspring, maar die res van die manne gaan dit nie daar los nie. Christian Liebenberg, Jacques Snyman, waar is Lolo Skotsa? Aan die buitekant daar, so amper aan die buitekant van Sarel Smal. Maar Sarel maak het bietjie moeilik vir Lolo Skotsa om weer te kom. Maar Christian Liebenberg en Jacques Snyman bank vas aan mekaar.
Well, it looks like Lotus is going hunting right now because Sarel Small was bouncing around all over the show when they came off the start-finish line. And with the pace that Lolos Kotsa's got, if he can get past Sarel Small, and whoops, he goes up on the inside of Sarel Small. Let's hope there's no damage to either of those two motor cars. Now, Lolos is released, and there goes Jacques Snyman. Snyman is up into second position, and here comes Lolos. He is going hunting. I believe he might still make a top 3.
Oh, dis moeilikheid vir Christian Liebenberg. En Lolo Skotsa is op die oorlogspad. Hy is definitief op die oorlogspad. Christian Liebenberg kyk in sy triespieël en hy sien daai groot Jumbo Golf nommer 5 kort op sy hakke. Sarel Smal wil weer terugkom. Sarel het hom nog nie gelos nie. Hier kom Kotsa. Kotsa is deur tot in die derde plek. Ja, maar hulle gaan nou baie hard moet ry om vir Evert Alberts te vang. Maar lyk my nie met 3 rondes oor of hulle dit gaan doen nie.
Well, now the next thing is, can Jacques Snyman hold on to that second position? The way Lolos Kotsa is going, I think he might even be able to get up into that second position. Anything is possible. The piece of bodywork is flying around all over the show. Smalls in that 4th position as they work their way down the back mound. It's Snyman that has been caught now by Lolos Kotsa.
Wel, hier is dit nou. Lolo Skotsa aan die buitekant van Jacques Snyman. Jacques Snyman gaan dit nie toelaat nie. Lolo Skotsa kort op sy hakke en hy's aan die binnekant. Ja, hy's deur. Kotsa in die tweede plek by Jacques Snyman verby. Lolo Skotsa in die tweede plek. Jacques Snyman derde, maar Evert Alberts nog steeds los voor.
Yeah, Evert Alberts is going to come through to take the first place in the finals of the last race of the day. It's Evert Alberts that wins it. It's Lolos Kotsa that comes through second. Jacques Snyman in third. Small in fourth. Christian Liebenberg in